stars and the sun so high, 8 planets spinning round the sun. Let's meet them all, one by one. The sun, big and bright, giving us warmth and shining light. It keeps each planet in their place, the center of our cosmic space. Mercury closest to the sun, small and speedy, planet 1, rocky and gray. It's dry and bare, hot and cold, no air to share. Venus, golden and bright, covered in clouds, a fiery sight, spinning slowly back to front, our hot neighbor on this hunt. Earth, green and blue, with mountains, ocean, sky so true. One bright moon shines through the night, home for life, just right. Mars, the red desert land, with dusty plains and mountains grand. 2 little moons in the sky, our red neighbor rolling by. Jupiter, giant and strong, with storms and stripes that last so long. A great red spot swirling around, 70 moons can be found. Saturn, with rings so wide, a giant ball of gas and pride. Golden rings in a stunning view, with moons that orbit many and true. Uranus, tilted and blue, an icy giant, strange and new. It spins sideways, such a sight, a distant world, cold and bright. Neptune, far and cold, with winds and storms so big and bold. Deep blue planet, last in line in the solar system's grand design. We've met each planet one by one in our journey round the sun. The solar system's big and wide, what a cosmic thrilling ride.